We're disengaging with yung anchor. We're leaving the port of Dapitan, bound for Dumaguete. Double engine pala to. So sabay din sa Montenegro, but I think we will be arriving earlier because this is faster. So Dapitan is the nearest port going to Dumaguete. Nearest port in Mindanao, which is north western part of Mindanao. So you have yung mga passes, mga vehicles sa baba. Mas maganda dito ang view. Mas mabilis to kaysa yung Montenegro. Double engine siya. Yung Montenegro ata single engine. Ang bilis. Tingnan mo na, una yung Montenegro, abutan natin siya. Mas maraming passengers here ata because of comfort, kasi yung passenger side doon hindi masyado maganda yung sa
marami yung cars na tingnan natin.
Ayun o, puno man din tayo. Yan o. Yan o. Not much, pero I think later umalis. Bilis eh. Grabe. So these are yung mga vehicles, no? Cargo vehicles ng open deck area. Yung private dito sa may covered area. So this area is yung open area. Dito may economy side na area. Tapos you go inside yung premium saka business economy aircon. You only add 50 pesos actually. So this is, we're leaving Mindanao, bound for the Visayas. So Dumaguete is the southernmost tip ng Negros. Dalawang makina ka, dalawang 2 engine natin eh, no? Riding yung Roro has been a way of life sa amin as travelers. I've taken this siguro more than 30 times.